I'm gonna clean it off right now and compose a little list of everything I'll need to order for it. Jinx is gonna help me clean. That's already looking a lot better. We'll go ahead and pull this mat out. I was expecting worse. I'll pressure wash the top and the bottom and throw it back in. I'll soak the truck down with some soapy water and then it's pressure washing time. I carefully sprayed under the hood a little bit. Didn't want to wet any of the electricals. Got a little wild back here. I think I'll need to spray some degrease so that soak a little bit and then try it again on another day. Good enough right now. It's supposed to be a little bit on the cold side today and rain off and on all day. So I can give it a proper washing or better washing another day. Now I'll clean the inside out a little bit. I believe the truck will clean up pretty damn good with minimal effort. I barely passed the wet wipe on it, and it did a lot of good as is. It's a 95, has AC, 5-speed. It was just a work truck. Hadn't been off the road that long, 2017. It comes from Greg LeBlanc Thibodeau. I don't even think they're open anymore. That little crack in the tail light. I gave the truck a one over. I'm going through it enough to know a good starting list of everything it'll need. So it will be a daily driver. I'll switch out between that and the 280Z. So I want it roadworthy to take it out every day if need be, and maybe occasionally try autocrossing with it on the weekends. So for starters, I want all 4 new tires, a new ECU, change the brake pads, give it some speakers, change the oil, change the headlights, replace the tail lights because one's cracked, put a new battery in, change the spark plugs and wires. And while doing the spark plugs and wires, change the distributor cap and rotor, give it a short shifter, handbrake, bucket seats, and a sway bar for the rear. I'll try changing all those ports within the next few weeks and start from there. Can't get enough of these imports. Even the daily driver is an import. Tundra.